I recently posted a video on TikTok that received 1.3 million views so far in 24 hours. Over 1,000 comments, I believe. The biggest comment, or the comment that's has a recurring theme, is you can't find employees. I was talking about the landscaping company and the painting company and other such companies as the most profitable companies to start. And I kept getting a lot of pushback, such as, well, you can't find employees. Well, you can't train employees. You can't find talent and so on. So I wanted to address that. Obviously, the people who said that, and quite a few people say, I'm running a landscaping company, I'm running a painting company, and I just can't find talent. How do I how do I answer that question delicately without hurting people's feelings? To me, finding talent or attracting talent is the equivalent of learning how to operate your lawnmower, learning how to put gas in your lawnmower. I mean, it's basic stuff, because either you're using business tools to attract quality talent or you're not. Most companies try to bribe people. They try and pay people more than industry wages and bribe them to come on board. Then they come on board, they stay for a month or two and say that, this culture is toxic, or I don't like my boss, and everybody thinks they're great leaders. We're not great leaders unless you've had some training, unless you've worked for another company that has trained you professionally how to be a great leader. Then chances are you're not being a great leader. You're not creating a company culture. You're not creating opportunities for advancement. You're not, if you're not creating, if you don't have a design to create the culture, and you don't have, an internal training program, if you don't have branding and differentiation, if you don't have all those tools to attract quality people, then chances are you're trying to do it the hard way. I apologize for the dogs going nuts, but you got to have those tools. You can't expect to, just to build it and they will come. Everybody thinks, oh, I've got a website now, I'm going to get thousands of clients. That's not how it works. Now that I have 10 employees, now those employees will attract more employees. That's not how it works. I'm sorry. But yet you've got companies like McDonald's, Amazon, Burger King, Tim Hortons, and all these companies that attract thousands and thousands of people at minimum wage. Why? Well, first of all, they have branding and differentiation. Everybody knows who they are. How many people know who you are? How many people have seen your truck wraps? How many people have seen your marketing efforts? How many people have seen you as an aggressive, fast-growing company? If they don't see you as an aggressive, fast-growing company, people are not going to say, I want to work with that company. That company is going to grow really fast. I don't know why, but I just get the feeling they're going to grow really, really fast. I want to be part of their, fast track to management program. I will move my family to their state, their province, to be part of the fast track management program. If people are not saying that about your business, how can you expect, that you're going to grow and people are going to drop what they're doing? They've been happy somewhere else for 10 years, but they're going to drop what they're doing and come and work for you as a startup? Now, come on. Would you do it? If you were happily employed somewhere else, would you come and work for your own company? If you wouldn't, and be honest with yourself, look in the mirror. If you would not do it, then don't expect other people to drop what they're doing and, put their mortgage at risk, put their family at risk, put the 2-year-old and the 5-year-old at risk, and, wonder if I'm going to be able to feed my family next month or 6 months from now, right? So you got to create a stable environment, a stable foundation under your company, not only for yourself, but your future potential clients as well. They've got to feel comfortable to leave their 10-year-old job they've been very happy at, to leave you because they see your company as giving them a better opportunity. Does that make sense? Are you being honest with yourself, right? If you're not giving people those opportunities, then we need to work on it. And it can be done. We do that every single day with branding, differentiation, and business blueprint. How much research have you done? How many of my 500 videos have you watched on YouTube? Are you truly helping yourself? Reach out to me on Facebook, Leo George William Smith. Let's start a conversation. Take care.